Crypto bros, in this video I'm going to show you what is OKX. I'm also going to show you basically how to trade and how to make money on OKX, and this is going to be for complete beginners, all right, in 2022, also 2023. If you are already experienced trader, you can turn off this video and watch my other trading videos, but if you are just a beginner, make sure to watch it until the end, because I'm going to show you one of my favorite trading strategies at the end of this video, so make sure to stay tuned. And the reason why I'm showing you OKX, you need to understand, to get prepared for the next bull run, you need to have a overlook on different exchanges. So I showed you different exchanges already in the past. In this video we're going to focus on OKX. This is, in my opinion, one of the best exchanges in the world, and I actually decided to switch from other exchanges that I've used, that I showed you in the past on this channel, because of some bugs, because of some things that I didn't like, and now I'm focused on OKX. If you like this video and if you want more content, make sure to leave a comment and I will guide you about different trading strategies for OKX. So make sure to leave a comment, leave a like, and let's get straight to the content. So like you can see right now, the first thing that you can see on OKX, if you have already your account, this is you can see here your wallet, your assets. I've recently bought some Everdome because they are actually available here. I know there's so many people from Everdome supporters on this channel. So Everdome is actually traded on OKX with a high leverage. If I remember correctly, it's 50 or 30x. So I've actually bought some quite recently. But if you don't have your OKX account yet, make sure to use a link down below in the description. So this is basically the first thing that you need to do to start operating on OKX if you don't have the account already. And this account gets you a possibility to win up to 10,000 US dollars. Of course, not everyone is going to win. It is a marketing campaign. I'm going to be honest with you, but you can claim your mystery box. What you want to do is sign up and download the app. So basically you need to sign up using that link, only with the link from the description of this video, and download the OKX app on your phone, and then claim your mystery box up to 10,000 USD. The things that is not written here is that you need to deposit at least 50 USD into your OKX account. So not everyone knows it, so maybe the chance is bigger for you, and I would be happy if some of my viewers actually wins the biggest prize, which is 10,000 USD. But let's get back to the OKX. Like I already told you, this is your main wallet, and you can see right here that in the right corner you can see different currencies, different languages. If you're willing to, you can basically custom your OKX dashboard. Here you can see different functions like your assets, deposits, withdrawals, history of your trades. Then you have more. So basically you have a referral program, affiliates program, pool OKB. You have a learn section. We're not going to focus on this right now. You can build on OKX chain because OKX has their own chain already. You can bridge swap and do different developers things. I am not really into this, but if you are, make sure to check this out. You can grow. So basically you have your earning account and you can do staking, fixed income. So you have basically different possibilities to earn some percentage on OKX. All right, we're not going to focus on this as well in this video. We are going to do a quick overview. All right, and here is a section that might be very interesting to you, which is trade. All right, so let's get first to spot trading, and let's actually check this out. First thing that gets you to BTC USDT. And this is the dashboard. It's quite different from other exchanges because this is way more minimalistic. You don't see many things. You have everything that you need in here, but you don't have this mess. You can basically make it custom for you. I like to have it like this. So the main screen is the chart, right? And here you can put your positions, and here you can manage your positions. So right, basically, and the dashboard for spot and for futures trading, for different tradings opportunities, is basically the same. So like you can see on the market order, let's say you want to put 50% of your available USDT, and let's say you want to buy BTC. Like you can see, order has been placed successfully, and let's say you want to sell this, you basically put full amount and you have back your USDT. It's that simple. And let's right now get to the futures trading. But actually, before I show you futures trading, and actually before I show you my trading strategy that I use to trade, let me show you some of the OKX analytics. This is very, very important that you understand this and you put some time in this before you start trading. And let's get some info on OKX, right? So like you can see, they have their native token, which is OKB. I want to show you this token real quick right now. So like you can see, OKB is trading right now at 22 USD, and it's on 42nd placed on coin market cap. This is the full chart, and look, this bear market almost didn't hit the OKB token, which is quite surprising to me. And you can see that the market cap is 1.3 billion US dollars. In the bull market, you had to have like 1.2 billion USD to get to top 100, right? So that can get you a perspective of how low we are when it comes to the market. Here you can see top centralized exchange tokens by market capitalization, and OKB token is actually outperforming all exchanges tokens right now, which is quite crazy to me. I actually didn't know about this before, but last 7 days it's up 37%, which is crazy. Even though Bitcoin is maybe like 3% up in last 7 days, OKB token is 37% up. And when it comes to top cryptocurrency derivatives exchanges, you can see OKX is on 3rd place, but it's actually outperforming by a bit with almost 8 billion 24-hour volume. So basically, when it comes to volume, it's the second exchange after Binance. So it looks like OKX is doing a lot of things. They are sponsoring Manchester, and it might be not interesting to you, but this is very important that and crypto exchange is doing something in a physical world, that they sponsor some huge company or some huge football club like OKX, or you need to know these sponsorships are not cheap. We are talking now about tens of millions of dollars to sponsor such a football club, right? So right now let's get back to OKX platform and let's focus on futures trading. So like you can see, you basically click futures and you need to pick BTC USDT perpetual. So we're gonna do it. And right now we are on 15M chart. I already told you when it comes to the spot trading, but it's basically the same. So at the top, you can see them basically the chart. You can switch between trading view, depth, but we're gonna stay with original OKX chart. Here you can see basically you change between different time frames. So 5M is basically one candle means 5 minutes. 15M means one candle is 15 minutes. 5M means one candle is 5 minutes. If we scroll down here, you can see the place where you basically open short or long position. You can open position which is cross or isolated. I recommend you to use isolated, especially if you are just starting, because it is basically less risk for you. If something goes wrong, it won't liquidate all your funds, but only the funds that you have in the position. So like you can see here, you can check between different leverages, high and up to 125x leverage. We're gonna stay with let's say 30x just to show you how to open a trade. Alright, so I had to switch to BTC USDT perpetual. Make sure to use this one if you are experienced trader. So remember that futures trading, perpetual trading, margin trading is only for experienced traders, and there is a huge risk connected to basically futures trading and trading with leverage, right? So make sure to start with spot 100%. I recommend you to start with spot trading, and then if you are already experienced trader, then you can start using like 3x leverage. But I'm going to show you right now how to open the position. So let's say you are willing to open a position with 20x leverage. Let's switch to 20x. So here you can basically put amount for the position. You can switch between limit and market order. Let's say we are opening right now a market order. Here you can put take profit and stop loss. So right now the Bitcoin is at 21,190 USD. But before we open a position, I want to show you the indicator that I told you at the beginning of this video. So this is MACD. At least in my opinion, this is one of the best indicators in the crypto space. Like you can see, you have three lines: white, yellow, and the purple line. And basically when the white line crosses the yellow line to the upside, that gets you a signal to open a long position. And for example, right here you can see a white line crossed and the purple line to the upside at the level of 21,222, and boom, it went all the way up to 21,291 USD. So basically right now we can see that we are close to get to open a long position if we cross once again. All right, my camera just turned off, but let's get back to the charts. Like you can see, we are after like 3 minutes and we are getting closer to cross the purple line. So we could be waiting for a confirmation so that we cross actually this line to get lower risk, but we are not going to wait for the confirmation, and I'm going to be opening right now a long position. Even though we are pumped already on 5M chart, I'm still going to try to get on this position. Like you can see right here, I'm going to open, let's say with 80%. Take profit would be 21,210 USD. and stop loss would be 21,190 USD. And let's open long. Remember, this is just to show you a position, just to show you how to open a trade. So be prepared, and normally you'd have to put more time and basically spend some time before opening a position. Like you can see, this is the dashboard when you can manage the position. So you can basically also change the stop loss. If you are willing to put a different stop loss, you can do it here. So this is the view when the position is open. Like you can see, we can switch to 1M chart. So the green line shows you where has been the position opened. So the red line here is a take profit basically, and the red line down here is a stop loss. You can basically also change it, or you can cancel this right here. I'm going to leave this position right here. It's only like what, half a USD. When you scroll down, you can see the order book and different markets, so you can check between different markets. Here we are. I just turned to show you what's happening on Everdome, and you can see that you can have up to 75x leverage on Everdome, which is crazy. It's a small cap project, but you can have up to 75x leverage on this. This is basically it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are willing to see more content on OKX, make sure to leave a comment and put your questions or videos ideas. Remember, take care of your trades, and I will catch you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.